Hi, I'm Cayla Solomon, holistic sleep coach and founder of Sleeping Beauties. This next breath technique is called Cyclic Sighing, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorites, both for stress relief and for sleep prep. It's based on a very simple rhythm. 2 inhales through the nose, 1 deep, 1 short, followed by a long, slow exhale through the mouth. This technique was highlighted in a recent Stanford study as one of the most effective ways to reduce anxiety and to calm the body, even more than box breathing or traditional mindfulness. Let me show you how to do it. We're going to inhale deeply through the nose, take a second short inhale, and then exhale slowly and fully through the mouth. Let's try that together for 2 rounds. Inhale. Now you're going to do your top up inhale and exhale slowly. One more time, big inhale, a top up inhale, and exhale slowly. You might feel this wave of calm wash over you, and that is exactly what this breath is designed to do. Inside the Recharge protocol, I show you how to use techniques just like this one at specific points in your day so that your body starts to feel calm more often without needing to work for it. Now, the Recharge protocol is not just about breathing, it's also about sleep and hydration. So I'd love to have you join me if that's something that you're struggling with. In the meantime, we're gonna do one more session of this, and then I'm gonna let you go for your day. We're gonna inhale, and another short inhale, and then slow. One more time. Try it again if you'd like, or join me for the next breath in this series. Have a great day and a restful night's sleep.